Ito na, double MM pa rin yung meta dito on the side of Infinity Esport. We have Nathan and Bruno Mars with YZ Cadeta and Matilda. On the side naman ng newborn guys, we have Nolan, Diggy, Brody, and of course, Lapu-Lapu and Louie. Pinaka-record na ba? Yes, Kuya Vance. Recorded na po.
Welcome to Mobile Legends!
Ayan po, we have Bebop Mamen as Lapu-Lapu against YZ naman, IVXN. On the mid lane naman dito, we have G as Louie and of course, Invoke Cadeta. Naman si Shortcake as Nathan naman and Claudia as Matilda and Ryoki as Bruno. Meanwhile, Nolan, Boss G naman dito, Nolan Jansen gumamit ng Brody. We have our Diggy naman as DZ as well. Eto na, yung palaging pinaban dito on the side of the team Infinity Esport is Diggy. Kinuha na po dito ni SDZY. And German cut na po dito si Kuya IVXN. Nagkating classes na si Kuya. Wa na hadlok pero ni-rotate rin. Tulong ka mong kalaban mo. Mapiki yung ka. Maipit yung mayo dya. Pero dodging lang. Pero oy, there you go. First blood. Nakuha ni Boss G. And sa bottom side, murag di patilaw sa dakong bangkaw ni Jason. Ang ilang kalaban diri si Claudia together with Ryoki. Relax na po kayo itong SDY. Si Kiraglapay ditong stars guys. Pasko man karon ihatag ko na sa imo. Alright, nice dodge coming from Nathan using the ultimate right now. And here, Gipa Munitra. Naku po! Punita lagi na. Ay, look at the damage coming from Jason. Pero wala pa siya ultimate doon. 8 seconds for the turtle. And look at Invoke ha. Nag-rotate alam dito ni SDZY. Okay pa sana. Napag siya petrify at ultimate doon. And since nag-up ay wala pa siya ultimate na eh. So alam niya malulugi pa siya doon. And then the first turtle might goes to Boss G. Walang contest dito guys. Hinlo kayo ang kadagatan. Alright, Diggy relaxing lang. Murag yung sige na naglabay lantern karon sa Diggy, no? And sa top lane, grabe ka isog diri. Ang atong Bebop, Lapu-Lapu. The Curse of the Dragon of bravest fighter inside the tower na hindi natatakot doon. Si Lapu-Lapu. But we have a TP coming from Haji. Uy! Grabe! Nalik ka yan. Pero ito yung problema dito. Dumating si Shortcake. Try to help his teammate. Mamamatay ata dito si Haji. Uy! Nag-change target. It's because of Boss G. And we have our Invoke to petrify. Taka na magtuplok kong kamot oy. Wala na. SDZYY, sige paglabay ka pag lantern na doon, murag nga piki si Claudia. And Ryoki naman diri, murag kasakitan, good siya sa star, no? Star ng Pasko, manggod karon. Pwede, oh. Ayan nga, sinulan mag-heal, inay sa Doctor. Tapos yung mga nice red dito, nahuli doon si Nolan. What a play coming from Invoke! Boss G is out. The patient coming from Invoke is incredible po. Pero Ryoki will goes on as well with Jayzen. And there you go. Sure kick as well. Nakuli doon. Then Bebop Mamen. Mamatay man yung ating Digi dyan sa bottom lane. Pero at least they will try to control naman dito on the side of the newborn meta for the turtle guys, no? So 2k gold advantage lang yung lamang dito. Check on the items right now. Naka-Fury Hammer yung ating kaibigang Lapu-Lapu. And malagbaga na ba this? Wala siyang ultimate. Wala pang Bravest Fighter. And look at the stars guys. Star ng Pasko. Grabe Cactus. Oh, sige raglabay. Lantern dead to bro. Kaingon siya ulala. And we have our short cake having some trouble right now. Short cake item naka-feather na. Pero yun ang problema. Meanwhile, Nolan dito. Complete set for the boots. And on the feather fight. What a perfect timing for SDZ to save his teammate. Jayzen, papalag. Pumasok dito. Delikado at si Invoke. Wala pa. Hindi pa nag-ultimate ata. Hindi, naka-ultimate na pala. And there you go. Nag-flicker pa nga. Para lang hulihin yung kalaban. Pero look at pumalag dito sa Ryoki. Delikado ata dito sa Jayzen. Pero papalag, there's another kill. Shutdown. And the stars ng Pasko. Bumawi si SDZ. On the top lane naman, nice heal coming from the IPXN. The healing power of our YZ. Ayan na. Ayan na po. Item check kayo dyan. Wala pa ganong mga item, no? So, it's 6 minutes on the match and 3k gold advantage on the newborn meta, guys, no? Lamang po dito ng 3k yung ating newborn meta. Bebop Mamen is waiting. Try to cut these minions and papalag ata dito si IVXN. 7-5 seconds na for the third L. Nathan, nice dodge. Easy get out lang po. What a play coming from Nathan, no? Eh, nasi pabalik-balik magkalaban din rin. Pero okay lang, kaya mo pa. Isin yung laban. O yan, Nathan. And this, the Boss G starting to kill the turtle dito. There's a TP. Patid the Elrines. David Zen goes down. And good play doon. Ryoki is out as well. Maganda yung TP doon ni Haji together with SDZ, guys. Eto, takbo layo si Plauja. Pero andito pala si Invoke, meron siyang Petrify. Wala, sir. Ginamit yung Petrify sa baba. Naku po, eto na naman tayo sa laban na to. Ganito kaganda. Oy, Dragon Form right away. Easy get out to po coming from IVXN. Ito yung advantage dito ni YZ. Madali lang po aalis doon using the ultimate. Lapu-lapu be. Kasi item. Ay, Radiant Armor dito. And delikado short cake. Easy dodge. Napakadali lang po for short cake na iwasan yung mga kalaban using the ultimate of Nathan, no? Grabe ni si short cake Strawberry. Boss G, di pala ganda to si IVXN. Pero di pa kayo lami ang damage. Wait lang tayo ng tamang naka-helpless isa pala. EV coming from Haji on the top lane. Kadeta, hindi niya napansin. OMG, Ryoki will goes down. Nice play coming from Haji. Patay unta to si Haji. Kina si Petrify together with the ultimate of Kadeta. Easy get out lang. Delikado ata dito. Short kick na huli po. Short kick is in trouble. He will goes down. Nice play. And we have Hotel the Airlines. Papasok Invoke. Too late na Petrify. Their ultimate, guys. Mamamatay man dito. Ang ating SDO buhay pa. Yung kasamang kaibigang Lapu-Lapu. Sasayaw na ba? Pinalagan ba dito? And there's a rotation. And Lapu-Lapu will goes down. Try to habol po dito. GSN. And binasag yung mid lane. Sayang yung kanina. Sheesh. Check natin yung review. Ultimate of Kadeta. Get out lang. Delikado ata dito. Short kick na huli po. Short kick is in trouble. He will goes down. Nice play. And we have Matilda Airlines. Papasok Invoke. Too late na petrify. Their ultimate guys. Mamamatay. Back to the ball game tayo. Nag-lord na dito. Yung team ng Infinity Esports. Baka kuha ba din? Yes, short kick. Secured yung lord dito mga kapatid. Pero look at the damage coming from Brody. Hindi na mapansin. Pero perfect timing for the kill. Ang ganda doon. Munti ka na madali doon. Si Matilda guys. Hindi na more. Loud ka naman inside of the team. Same attack. Binabalik. Ibalik-balik ang Digi. Tamo kay si Digi. Sige pagiglabay stars. And mabasag ang Torre. The Dragon Form. IBXN. Tatakbo na dito yung kalaban nila. New meta. Kailangan nyo nang umalis. STZY. And there you go. Brody. Huling-huli sa act of Petrify. Ultimate coming from Kadeta. We have Bebop, papalagpas sila, dalawa ni Kuya Bosti on the bottom lane. SDY still alive. Lord is coming on the mid lane. Naku po, parang nagbiglang nagbago ang ihip ng hangin right now, no? Gold advantage, lumipat na po sa Infinity Esports. Bravest fighter, kilala pa, diba? Hindi sir. Kanina pa, in full down pa yung Bravest fighter natin. YZ na to dyan, sa item, naka-dominance ay sa Tina Shield. Together with Counter-Strike. There's a TP. Habulin dito, IBXN. Sigit out lang. Alam na dito. Ni IBXN yung galawan ni Haji, no? Mga TP tactics ba? Ayun, IVXN, nilapag, Bibimbap, sumasayaw na dito, Lapol of Bravest Fighter, nilapag, pero the damage is not enough. Anong item, money? Counter-Strike going for, ano pa? Buhaton guys, tanaw tag item nila 3. Brody, Heptasis, Malefic Roar, Rose Gold na going. Meanwhile naman dito on our Nathan, naka Holy Crystal, Star Loom, and Feather. Bruno guys, Hasclaw, Berserk Fury. Nadakpan na to short kick, may trouble, makakahawa pa. No sir! Hindi nakalis doon si short kick. Nice executing coming from the team. Newborn meta guys. Eto, Matilda Elas lumilipat-lipat ng po. Buwan na play coming from Invoke. Grabe si Invoke. Yung pasok doon. Tamang tempo. Tanggal Escabeche, labas lapo-lapo. Delikado. IVXN. He will goes down. Nice habol coming from Boss G. Naka-endless battle na si Boss G, no? There's a teleport. Huli ka! Ryoki! And now, he's in trouble. Kahit papap yung kanyang Aegis, guys. The damage coming from the newborn meta is greater than the shield and Aegis. This is a good contest. Papunta na si Nathan. Ultimate right away or antay pa. Red Trigods! What a play coming from Nathan! Short kick! Strawberry! Who helped his team to survive that clash with stealing the Lord. OMG. Replay. This is a good contest. Papunta na si Nathan. Ultimate right away or antay pa. Red Trigods! What a play coming from Nathan! Sheesh! Ayan na. Ito yung mahirap dito guys, no? Mali, hindi naka-zoning sila pero ginugulo sila doon ni Plaucha together with Kadeta. Kaya nagkaroon ng chance si short kick na pumasok sa Lord and nag-steal. Look at the strategy coming from Strawberry short kick. Oh. Pero the Lord is down already. Quick as that. Pero yung mid tower natin dyan is basag. Kanina pa yan. Marami pang Tori doon sa side ng Infinity Esports guys, no? Balagbagan na this. Check yung item guys. Double check nyo pa. Eto na. Petrified. Tinamaan doon. Wanna play coming from Invoke. Tanggal si Brody guys. Eto pa. Delikado pa. Boss G. Try to get out. Out na po. Okay lang. Buhay na buhay pa dito si Boss G. Pulling out. Bravest Petter. All alone. Hinarap dito. Yung tatlong kalaban guys. Buhay pa si Bebop Mamen. Pero the damage coming from the Dragon is real. 3 heroes are down on the side of the team Newborn Meta. Eto, wala pang minions. Minions on the bottom lane. They will try to end this match as quick as possible since 15 seconds and 5 seconds for Brody. One good advantage there. Bossy Mutikan pa na dali doon. Haji is out. And the turtle minions coming from the mid lane. Laucha is down. Alright, they successfully defended this clash mga kapatid to. Eto na. Grabe sir. Gold advantage, move up to 3k gold advantage po. Complete item nagkalit si Nathan. OMG. OMG mga kapatid, what yung kuy masay ani? What you say? This is the third Lord, ha? Bebop Mamen, the first hit for the Lord. Eto na, ang coins gipasagdan, Pasko manong pa. Wag gani lagi na hinagkuha to. Sayang kay na part, 75 na. Okay lang, focus muna tayo sa Lord. Eto na, dito natin malalaman kung sino yung mga claim ng Lord. We will have some good advantage sa TP doon, Haji. Good choice. Pero si Brody lang pala pinatipi doon. And ultimate coming from TP. Buhay na buhay pa dito yung ating Brody. And mamamatay man siya coming from Flautia and Ryoki. And short kick pa rin. Nakakuha doon sa Lord. OMG. Team Newborn Meta is in trouble right now. A perfect set coming from Gadeta. Petrify and ultimate double kill pa nga. One hero or left Roman. Boss G, how can you defend this? With you alone. With the Lord pushing on the mid lane. Wala na po. It's all over. Well played. Congratulations to that Infinity Esport. Balagbagan. Sheesh. Ang galing.
Subscribe.